Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok in 2025 even if you don't have 1000 followers. So step 1, open your TikTok app and tap the profile tab. Step 2, go to settings and then report a problem. Step 3, choose live and then I can't start a live and then tap no when asked if your issue is resolved. Step 4. In the feedback box, write something like, "Hi TikTok team, I would like to request access to go live. I understand that the community guidelines and would like to interact with my followers." Step 5. Submit the report and wait 24 to 48 hours. Step 6. If your request is approved, the Go Live button will appear even if you don't hit the 1K followers requirements. Some users also get early access by joining TikTok Creator Beta or testing programs. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.